The sale of Zip2 infused Elon Musk with a new brand of confidence. He had solved Silicon Valley and become what everyone at the time wanted to be, a dot-com millionaire. At 1995, he discussed about internet banking openly during his internship at Pinnacle Research Institute. It had taken Musk less than a decade to go from being a Canadian to becoming a multimillionaire at the age of just 27 years. With his share value of $22 million, he owned a 1800s SFT condo. He also bought a McLaren F1 sports car by spending $1 million and a small propane also. Musk invested about $12 million in X.com. X.com began like so many Silicon Valley operations with four co-founders along with Musk. Fricker was one of the co-founders who wanted to become a CEO because Musk becoming famous, but he didn't. So he felt like insecure and one day asked to Musk his desire, but Musk said no. The Fricker and his three friends leaves the company with their share values. Again, Musk starts searching for good pool of investors to X.com and finally he got it. Week by week, the more engineers arrived at X.com, then the vision became more real. Customers received a $20 cash card just for signing up to use the service and a $10 cash card for every person they referred. X.com also built a person-to-person payment system in which you could send someone money just by plugging their email address into the site. This was revolutionary stuff, and more than 2 lakh people bought into it and signed up for X.com within the first couple of months of operation. Very soon, X.com had a major competitor. A couple of brainy kids named Max Levchin and Peter Thiel had been working on a payment system of their own at their startup called Confinity. Confinity spent much money on promotions and they end up with no money reserves. X.com have enough to lead, so they both are merged together. The two companies tried hard to mesh their cultures with modest success. The Confinity team, led by Levchin, favored moving toward open source software like Linux, but Musk wanted to continue with Microsoft's data center software. This brought some disputes between them. 2 months after the merger, Thiel resigned and Levchin threatened to walk out over the technology rift. Due to the technology issues, X.com had been facing worsened, and as the computing systems failed to keep up with the exploding customer base, once a week the company's website collapsed. Most of the engineers wanted new work designing system. Musk and Justin had been married in January 2000 but had been too busy for a honeymoon. 9 months later, X.com executives delivered letters of no confidence to X.com's board. Some of the people loyal to Musk had sensed something was wrong, but it was too late. Then the board decided to choose Thiel as CEO. Musk argued with the board to reconsider their decision, but no result changed. By June 2001, Musk's influence on the company was fading quickly. That month, Thiel rebranded X.com as PayPal. You would expect someone in Elon's position to be bitter and vindictive, but he wasn't. He supported Peter Thiel as much as he can. Executives from eBay began approaching to PayPal about an acquisition. Musk and Moritz rejects the offers and hold it for more money. In July 2002, eBay offered $1.5 billion. Musk and the rest of the board members agreed the deal. Musk's short temper and sometimes ego not enough to win our investors and more experienced executives. At both Zip2 and PayPal, the company's boards came to the conclusion that Musk was not at CEO material, even if he is a big shareholder. PayPal workers then became as a founders of YouTube and Palantir Technologies as well as for Yelp. After deal closing of PayPal, Musk planned a 2-week trip, first Brazil, then South Africa. At South Africa, he attacked by malaria. He reached California and spent 10 days in ICU. It takes 6 months to recover. He lost 45 pounds of weight, but he had the strong mind to stress out from any situation. History has demonstrated that while Musk's goals can sound absurd in the moment, he certainly believes in them, and when given enough time, he tends to achieve them.